Hey everybody, welcome back. Today's going to be a very quick video about the unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Pro, which I've just recently bought. I guess let's get to it. So, what's in the box? Let's have a quick look at the box itself. So it's Galaxy branding, as you can see, but I found this a bit weird. Notice this. This is actually stuck on. But usual bump on the back around what it can do. How many batteries? Playtime. IPX7, which means you can go to the gym with it. Bluetooth powered by AKG, again around the tuning bit, and two-way speakers. So that's what basically is written on the box itself. Then you've got obviously the normal bump on the other side. Inside the box itself comes with this usual documentation. As you can see, I've opened it already. Usual documentation, warranty card. Again, more bump. Obviously, when you get these, be sure to file this away like that. Inside the rest of the box is you get this another small box. It's like one of those Russian dolls, right? You've got the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, which is kind of nice to see, the fact that they're providing this, considering mobile phones don't even come with any of this anymore. Then you've got inside this is your ear tips, different sizes depending on your hole size. That didn't sound right. Depending on your ear hole size, still not better, but getting there. Again, you know, the fact that talking about gyms earlier, the fact that they've opened up, thankfully now, you can go out, go to the gym, hopefully wear these, which I will test, and I will feedback again, put that over there, which is what I did the other day. I went and got this. Woohoo! Now, rest of the box, nothing really. That's about it. Again, the actual pill box, as I'm calling it, I think that's what they call it anyway. Nice shape, slightly different to the previous generation of the buds, which is that. It's like very different, very similar shape, size even, in terms of the thickness. It's probably slightly thicker, but obviously this is slightly longer. Yeah, like I said, slightly thicker, but this is slightly longer. Depends on your preference. Do you like them short and fat or long and thin? Anyway, so with regards to what the earbuds themselves, they are a slightly different design to the originals. If I bring these back in again, slightly different. These ones came with the winglets, which obviously help fit in the ear better. This is kind of mimicking that a little bit, but it'd be interesting to see how they stay in compared to these, because these do stay in really well. And more often than not, I use these in the gym rather than my Sonys, which I use for traveling. Well, although I say for traveling, I haven't used those for a very long time. I'll stick a link in the video for the reviews of this and this. You'll see them along here somewhere at some point in time. Again, like I said, it's a very quick video. Wanted to show you what's in the box, and what I'm going to be doing is going to be testing this throughout the next week or so. I will let you know what they sound like. I will let you know in terms of how did they fit, how did they feel, and hopefully give you an idea of maybe are they worth buying versus, you know, if you've got the previous gen like I do, how big of a difference is there with regards to sound, because still for me this is still the king of sound when it comes to including your noise cancelling, because like I said, this is what I use for traveling when I'm on the tube. This is my go-to because these were not loud enough, so it'll be good to know what these are like as well, and I will try to mimic maybe the tube somehow playing in the background. But If, as always, if you like my videos, you know, please do hit like, subscribe, and as always, guys, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one, my friends. Ciao.